Welcome and welcome back to the channel if you've been here before. I just received my slime tire inflator. This is straight out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up and see how well it works. Ironically, for some reason my tire is going flat. Comes with a nice case. It's pretty compact. Has the power plug. Nice little hideaway for it. That cable's a lot longer than I expected it to be. Right, here's the cord. I did buy a battery tender adapter as well, cigarette adapter. I just didn't want to hook up anything else off the battery. It comes with this, you can just clip on, or you can permanently hook this adapter on. Just hook these directly to the battery, and that way you can just hook this up directly to that. But since I already have this USB hookup, I went ahead and got this cigarette adapter female. So it's pretty much, this just hooks up directly to the existing one right here. And there you go. And then this one's ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and get the cap off. Then off the pump, this just screws on. Plug it in. Let's give it a go. I like the PSI gauge it has on here. It's getting a little bit warm, nothing excessive. We're at 20. So let's go up to 35. There's 35. Let's get a second reading off of this. $35. Not bad, I like it. Straight out of the box, it works pretty well. I've seen mixed reviews online about this little air pump. And check out this cable length. So I got it hooked up to the right side of the bike. It's a good 6 feet. Plenty of cable if you want to use it with a vehicle. I'm gonna get this wrapped back up and put in the box. Don't need those. Instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in my bag. Doesn't take up much space at all. I love that. Well, straight out the box, it worked great. Let's see if it holds up. That was the Power Sport Tire Inflator. I bought that straight off of Amazon. It sent me back about 43 bucks. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.